Alright guys, we are almost there. This is the last part of setting up your opt-in. So congratulations on making it this far. So, once you've created the content, uploaded it, created the download page, and everything else is finally to do the actual opt-in box or page. Now, I do already have a box created for this content, but we're going to walk you through how to set that up as well as setting up a page. So I'm going to do both right here live on video or on recorded video. So I'm live right now. Anyway, so let's go to my internet. I've already logged into my Leadpages account. And by the way, right now I am at standard monthly, just to let you know. At one point I was on the pro yearly. I thought that's what I needed when I first signed up. And I kind of got sold into like this big package that was like ridiculous. And honestly, especially if you're just getting started, you just don't need all of that. So, sorry, and rant. So let's go to the lead box. I'm going to open up my last lead box, which is this one that I've done. And they do give you some analytics. I've had 5 opt-ins, 25 unique viewers, and this hasn't been open very long. So that's just within the last few days. So standard leads box. I'm sorry, let me go to edit so you can see what it looks like on the back end. And we're not going to save any of these changes because it's already done and I don't want to mess up my, my whatever. So the form, I guess it looks like this. I didn't think it looked like that. Anyway, what you want to do first when we're creating the form is go to integration settings. Actually, let me just create a new one while I'm here. I mean, it may as well. It's that easy. So create a new lead box. Sorry, I guess I should have had this more planned out, but I didn't. So here's what it looks like. This is basically like what's going to pop up when they click on your website. So if we go to my website, and again, I am in the middle of a rebrand, so the opt-in box doesn't really match the rest of this branding, but that's okay. So if they click on that, then this is what pops up, okay? So that's what we're creating right now. So, this Aweber, not Leadpages. So there we go. So we're just going to edit this real quick. So integrate forms with Aweber or MailChimp, if that's what you have. We're going to use my, no, where is it? Reload. Let me reload this. I'm trying to find the correct list with my Aweber. So this is actually, I'm connecting it with the right list. So that way whenever somebody signs up using this form, it goes to the right list. Or you can just have everything go to one big list. Totally up to you. Don't know why this is taking so long. Integrate with lead notifications, no. Webinar, no. Here we go. Opt-in checklist. There it is. So, ta-da. Y'all saw me just do that in the last one. Now we're going to customize this form. So now we know it's talking to Aweber in this case, or MailChimp if that's what you use, using whichever list you want it to. I don't bother with the lead notifications. This is not for a webinar. This is not registering on Facebook, so that's all I need. I'm going to hit customize this form. So then, the header image, this is the one that comes standard. I created one to match, so let's use that. And then you're going to hit save. I'm sorry, not save. Where is it? Header image. I'm going to use this. So, nope, this. I'm sorry, it's off screen, but it says OK down there. And then, header text. Let's see what I put on this one, because I kind of like the way I said that. The ultimate opt-in checklist is almost yours. So let's use that. Header text. The ultimate opt-in checklist is almost yours. Hit OK. Then form image. They're using this. I like to put like a picture, of the actual opt-in. So here's a picture that I made with Photoshop just to kind of show what they're getting. And then, once again, it's off screen, just says hit OK. And then right here, let's edit this part. Enter your email address. How did I put that? So let me just copy this, literally. So you already have this like pre-created, or just do it on the fly, whatever. Paste. So there you go. The name and email. Now the name and email, remember we created that in Aweber or in MailChimp. And the button, we're going to be able to edit that. So our button color, make it one of your brand colors, which I don't have my brand colors written down in front of me right now. So I'm just going to get close enough. That's good enough, you know, just for this example. And then that's pretty much it. I mean, it's a whole lot easier. I mean, you can customize the width. You can customize all kinds of different stuff. Why is it still right border width? You know, whatever you want to customize, whatever font you want it to use, the letter spacing, the size of it, all this you just customize to how you like it, which I kind of like it with a little arrow at the bottom, which it just, there we go, I kind of like that. But anyway, once you're happy with it, just hit OK. And then we're going to save. I must enter a name for this lead box. Sorry, new lead box. This is just test. And then save. Ta-da. Now, once that is saved, and then we're going to hit publish, it's going to give you the code. I like to have the code. So what you're going to do is copy this. So copy. And then you're going to go to wherever you want this to pop up. So let's go to, let me update this. And we're going to go to my home page, appearance, widgets, and I'll show you where this is embedded into mine. Mine is in home section 2. Again, this is just the way that this particular theme works. But if you look here, this is the code to that lead box. So this right here is what makes this happen. Okay? So you see how it's all branded. Everything's got my colors, or my new colors anyway. But now, let's create a lead page, because I'm actually going to be driving traffic to this lead page. So, let's go back to the lead pages. Let me X out of all this, and just go to lead pages. So, lead pages, we're going to create a brand new lead page on the fly right now. So this one's going to be called Ultimate Opt-in Checklist. And you can choose any one of these templates. There's paid templates, but honestly, like, this is fine. Any one of these will work. I'm sorry. And with lead pages, you can go to, they have different categories of lead pages. Like, so this is the opt-in lead page. This is one of my favorite templates that I use. So I'm just going to use that template right there. And it's loading slowly. There we go. So here's where you upload your logo, all this kind of stuff. So let me pull up my Photoshop real quick and open up. So I'm going to create real quick on the fly some graphics to match this. I know this isn't a graphics training, but honestly, it doesn't take that long to get your graphics. Like, once you've got your branding down, then the rest of it just comes easy. So there we go, branding, rebrand, and you can see all the images I used to rebrand, because that is a whole process in itself. And where is my brand board? Mood board. I think that's it. No, that's not the right one. Open. I thought I just called it a brand board. And that's called rebrand. That's what it's called. There it is. Rebrand. Open. So now I'm just going to pull that up so I can have some of those elements. I'm going to create some new elements eventually. So let me go back to the interwebs. So I need my logo. So obviously you'd already have your logo. I don't have it set in stone just yet. But we're going to use this logo real quick. So logo. And I'm going to crop this. So I'm just using sorry, undo crop. Let me do window, arrange. There we go. So I'm just going to crop this real quick. That's all I need. Take out the background. File. Save as. We're going to keep that in rebrand. So logo 2016. And I'm going to save that as a PNG file. Save. So then we go back here and we're going to upload my newly created logo image. I don't want them to be able to link to anything. So then we're going to go to upload new picture. and then rebrand, and we're going to find the one that says logo. And then it's going to upload. And you can see all the different graphics I've used in various lead pages. You know, it saves them for you. So once it's uploaded, then it's there. There we go. So I'm going to select that and hit done, which is off screen, unfortunately. And then, oh, done. I kind of want this to be centered. Ugh, I wish it would stop. Done. I want this to be centered. I guess I could just create something different, but this is fine. Like, really, it's fine. Header. I'm going to just turn that off. There we go. They don't need to see that anyway. So we're going to use the image of the actual opt-in right there. I kind of do need a header. This is the lead page, not the lead, whatever. So let me create that. Sorry. So edit, step back. So let's make a RitaEster graphic designer. I don't know. I'm sorry. This is like part of the process. So, I'd say we're sorry. So we're going to have right here the box. So let's get that edited, integrate with Aweber using opt-in checklist, customize this form. So the header image, I want again to use that little loading bar that I've already created. And then, okay, sorry, that was off the screen. And then, there we go. And then we're going to, almost there, click the button to access your checklist. And hit OK. This we're going to change again to this. Like, see how it's just the same every time. It's the same every time. That is so vital. Let me get my color code for that button so it matches the rest. That is 035875. So I'm going to change this color to 035875. Nope, that's not the right color. 035875. There we go. That's the color I like. The text shadow color, let's make that white. No, let's make that just darker. There we go. That's fine. So that's pretty decent. And again, the button is hidden underneath the control for the recording program. Sorry, I keep dragging this around. All right, and that should do it for that. We've got our integration settings, we've got a privacy policy, all that's already there for you. So we're going to say on this, tired of pulling your hair out, trying to figure out, I know I sure was, exactly how to create your opt-in. Here's a handy checklist and guide. So it is a checklist and guide to walk you through step by step. So we're gonna change. Let's change this button color. So the box itself, we want to change the color. How do we change that color? That's what we have to do. We have to go to styles and find where this green color is. So we're going to change this to, kind of want it to be that light green color that I have. So let me go back to my Photoshop. And, or even the yellow. Let's use the yellow. So that's FBE 69C. So we can change that right here. FBE 69C. I did 6 twice. There we go. I like that yellow. And button text color, we're going to use a dark, I like that blue. Kind of like that. Should work just fine. And the button hover color is going to be my teal. So let me click on this and get the color code for that, which is 86F5. 5EF. So button hover color is 86F 5EF. And again, let me just move this up or down, maybe. Nope, up. No. So, content, there we go. So now you see how it's changed to the yellow that matches the images. And so this, we're going to say, instead we're sorry you had a rough landing, it's going to be, this guide takes all the guesswork out of not only what to do, but the exact steps to take in the process. Period. We don't need this, so we can just take that off. This. Get this all together. Other way, settings and hide. We don't need all of this, so hide. And then this is going to say 2016. Come on, there we go. Edit text. It won't. Let me scroll, move this down. Edit text to 2016. RitaEster. And this, you want to edit this link to go to your link options. Like right here, it just says Leadpages.next. I don't have a legal page yet. Sorry. And then up at the very top, it has a green, let me pull this down so you can see. There's a green save button right here. So then it's saved. So the page name is going to be, enter a page. So this is going to be under the Leadpages URL. This is going to be opt-in lead, or opt-in checklist. Excuse me. Then we can save it. Then we can publish it and put it on the website. So publish. You must say, I already saved it. It just isn't done. Okay. There it goes. So now we can publish. So how would you like to publish this page? I'm actually going to publish this on WordPress. So if you want to do that, you're going to need to download the Leadpages WordPress plugin, which is done for me. So it's just a really simple click and a couple of things to get it to where they're talking to each other. So let's go here now to my backend of WordPress, and we're going to create the lead pages. So I don't need lead boxes. Lead pages, there it is. Add new. So there we go. We're going to add the lead page to display. It already popped up with the ultimate opt-in checklist. So we're going to call this easy opt-ins. So this is just for you, or I can call this, actually I'm going to call this ultimate opt-in checklist. UOC. I like to do that because it's just easier to share this. But you can call it whatever you want. Actually, let's do ultimate opt-ins page. Ins made easy. There we go. So we're going to publish that. And it's really just that easy to create this landing page. And you can spend a ton of time on design if you want to. You know, tweaking it or whatever. But so this is like a normal page or whatever. So we're going to view the page to see what it looks like. So now I can send people to a page called Opt-ins Made Easy. This is what they're going to get. That just shows like this is what you get, blah, blah, blah. Click here to download. And if you'll notice, it shows up under RitaEster.com. Now the benefit to this is whenever you're driving traffic to this, like with the Facebook ad, Facebook hates lead pages for some reason. Like lead pages URLs where it says leadpages.com / whatever, like this. If I were to publish this through Leadpages, it's going to give you RitaEster, Leadpages.co. Whenever Facebook sees that Leadpages, they're more likely to reject that or not serve it up as often. Or at least that is, that may be outdated information, but that's for my best knowledge. So whenever it says RitaEster.com, I can create a Facebook ad that drives people to this. So they download my checklist, I get their email, and then I have a chance to connect with them even further. So I know this one's kind of gotten a little bit long, but you got to see like just the nitty gritty of this is how it works and this is what you do. And all told, it takes about an hour to put together a pretty decent, the opt-ins, all the little, moving parts of the opt-in. And that's after you've created the graphics and the copy, like the actual mechanics of it. Give yourself an hour. If you're new to all this, give yourself an afternoon or even a weekend. Just like take your time, work your way through it. And if you have any questions, you need anything, please feel free to come find me. I'm on Facebook. Let me show you my Facebook profile. So this is me right here, RitaEster. And then my business page is right here at RitaEster.com. So please come find me on Facebook, connect, say hi. I'm all about connecting with people. I love, love, love meeting new people. And you can always send me a message. I answer pretty quick. And then you can also find me on Twitter, if you're not already my Twitter buddy. Also, I'm at RitaEster.com. That's what I look like on Twitter. I'm also on Instagram, on all kinds of stuff. So I'm all over the place. Look, we're talking about Leadpages and this guy pops up. Anyway, I think maybe they're spying on me. I hope y'all have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.